நம்ம 9th CBSE chapter 6 பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். exercise 6.1ல லாஸ்ட் சம் வந்துட்டோம். இங்க வந்து படமே கொடுக்கல. They didn't give the figure. You are supposed to draw the figure and then from the given information we have to find out the two angles. Okay, shall we move on to that? See, it's given that angle XYZ is equal to 64. Angle XYZ is equal to 64. X, Y, Z equal to 64. And XY is produced to a point P. XY is produced to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information. We have drawn. This is the thing they have asked first. That we have finished. Then what's the next thing they have asked? If a ray YQ bisects ZYP. See, this is the angle ZYP and now a ray YQ ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. XY ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Bisects. See, XP. Now XP is a straight line. XP is a straight line. You know angle in a straight line is 180 degree. Angle in a straight line is 180 degree. Remember, now you have drawn a ray YQ. This YQ bisects the angle ZYP. Now, being a straight line XP, the angle in that is 180 degree. One of the angle is 64. The remaining angle ZYP will be equal to what angle, that is the angle ZYP and angle XYZ are what type of angles? They are linear pair. Now see, XY is a XP. XY is produced to point P, no? So XP is a straight line. So we know angle in a straight line is 180 degree. Now angle XYZ and angle ZYP are linear pairs. So sum of their angle will be equal to 180 degree. So from this, angle ZYP will be equal to 180 minus angle XYZ. That is 180 minus 64. That is 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So angle ZYP is equal to 116. The problem is not yet over. See, YQ bisects angle ZYP. Bisects na enama? Divide it into two equal parts. That is angle, this implies angle ZYP is equal to angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to ZYQ plus angle QYP. Since YQ bisects the angle ZYP, angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. These two angles will be equal. That is, the angle will be divided into two equal parts. So, these two are equal. ZYP have known contribution. Yeah, these two will be equal. Upon angle Z, what they asked? Angle XYQ. XYQ they have asked. Find angle XYQ. This angle XYQ. Now, angle ZYP is equal to angle YQ bisects angle ZYP. So ZYQ is equal to angle QYP, implies angle ZYQ is equal to half of angle ZYP. That is 116 by 2 is equal to 58 degree. Angle ZYQ equal to 58 degree, which again implies angle QYP is also equal to 58 degree. Idhum 58. Idhum 58. If you add these three, you will get 180. The problem is not that. Angle QYP is 58. நம்ம எதுக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சா reflex of angle QYP கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Before that, you have to find out angle XYQ. Angle XYQ is angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Angle XYQ. Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Sorry. ZYQ. That is angle XYZ is 64 plus angle ZYQ is equal to 58 degree. 112. That is 4 plus 8 is 12, remainder 1, 7 plus 5 is 12. So angle XYQ is, what they've asked, is equal to 122 degree. This is the first answer. Second one, reflex of angle QIP they've asked. Reflex of angle QIP. I'll write here. Just listen. Reflex of angle QYP. How you will find out the reflex of angle? Reflex of any angle. How you will find out? 360 degree minus this angle. Angle QIP is equal to 58. So 360 degree minus 58 degree. 360 minus 58. 0, 3. Okay. Now see, 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. Here 3. So therefore, reflex of angle QIP is equal to 302 degree. Okay. First they didn't give the figure. You are supposed to draw the figure. What they have given is angle XYZ equal to 64. This mattum varanjum. Then XY is produced to P. Produced to a point P. Then you are supposed to draw the figure for this given information. Then YQ is drawn in such a way it bisects the angle ZYP. Angle ZYP. Now we are supposed to find out angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. ZYQ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். QYP ஓட reflex angle. Reflex angle இதை விட்டுட்டு மீதி இது ஃபுல்லா. அப்போ 360ல இருந்து இதை மைனஸ் பண்ணோம்னா மீதி இருக்க ஆங்கிள் எவ்வளவுன்னு நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். ஓகேயா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் XP being a straight line, we'll have the angle that is equal to 180 degree. Appo sum of these three angles is equal to 180. But we know this angle alone. These two angles are unknown. What we'll do? YQ bisects this angle. இல்லையா? அப்போ அதுக்கு முன்ன angle XYZ and angle ZYP are linear pair. So sum of those two angles is equal to 180. So angle ZYP will be equal to 180 minus angle XYZ, that is 64, which gives you 116. Now YQ bisects angle ZYP. Appo angle ZYQ and angle QYP are equal. Appo angle ZYQ will be equal to, since YQ, this YQ bisects the whole angle 116. Bisection and atom. It divides the angle into two equal parts. For divide the whole angle by 2, you will get angle ZYQ as 58, which is also equal to angle QYP. Now we found angle ZYQ. We have to find out angle XYQ, which is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So we got that as 64 degree plus 58 is nothing but 120 degree. The next job is to find out the reflex of angle QIP. I told you reflex of angle QIP is leaving this 58, angle around the point is equal to 360 degree. When you leave this, the remaining will be lying here. So 360 minus 58 will give you the measurement of this, the remaining part. That is nothing but 302 degree. I think you can understand this. Go through, please don't memorize. Just go through and then you can follow it easily. Okay, thank you.